Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken Vorta using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is ready to go. Next, we'll prepare the chicken, shredding it finely for that perfect texture. This simple preparation sets us up for a delicious and quick meal. Get ready to create a flavorful dish with minimal effort. Now, let's get those flavors building. Heat a little oil in your pan over medium heat. Once it's warm, add your finely chopped onions and cook them until they're beautifully translucent and soft. Then, introduce your minced garlic and ginger, letting them cook for just about 1 minute to release their wonderful aromas. This step is crucial for a rich base. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this easy chicken Vorta recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. And speaking of easy, staying hydrated while cooking is a breeze with an Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your energy up in the kitchen. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With our aromatics ready, it's time to bring in the star, the shredded chicken. Add it to the pan, then sprinkle in your turmeric, chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together really well, ensuring the chicken is coated with all those fantastic spices. This is where the Vorta truly starts to take shape, absorbing all the delicious flavors. Almost there. Let the mixture cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and allow the flavors to meld. Finish it off with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for a burst of freshness. Your easy chicken Vorta is now ready to be enjoyed. It's perfect with rice or roti.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.